Sveiki visi, čia Antanas. Hello everyone, Antanas is here and I'm coming at you straight from my kitchen, as you can see, in the background. And in today's video I'm going to show you my Contribee platform where I am uploading weekly Lithuanian tasks for A1-A2 levels. So if you want to practice your Lithuanian with interesting and interactive tasks, and you want to maybe prepare yourself for a first category Lithuanian state exam, then you are right here where you need to be. So let's have a look at my desktop and let's go to contribee.com/talklikeantanas, and here you have my page. So basically, let's have a look at one of my tasks which is made public. So if you go to my page, you will see that this first post is pinned here and it is completely public, so you can listen to it like that.
Praeitą savaitę praleidom komplekse, ėmėmės atrodėjome,
and so on, and then you have a transcript of this recording which is here. Yeah, so you can read and listen at the same time, or you can listen and then read. It's up to you. But anyway, you have text and you have transcript. So if you don't catch some words while listening, you can come back and look at the text and then learn the words here. What I also have is flashcards. So for example, here I have a list of flashcards. For example, here, yeah, there are words and each verb is written in its main three forms, so infinitive, present tense, third person, and past tense, third person. You have translations.
To reserve, to book.
And yeah, you have a list of words. You can practice this in many different ways. You can just go one by one using flashcards and so on and so forth. You can have some games and activities. You can have tests or some learning materials. So this Quizlet tool gives you lots of different opportunities to practice flashcards in many different ways. Many students find this very useful, so that's why I have created this kind of flashcard sets. But let's go back to our main page. So each entry that appears here every week has flashcard set as well and interactive tasks. For example, here I have created some tasks based on the text itself. For example, here you can practice cases. In this case, no pun intended, genitive and accusative. So you have to type in correct form. Let's say Vilnius, Panevėžys, and the like. Yeah, so you have to type everything in, and here you can revise some past tense forms, and with each topic you have some free content that I have created over the years that you can look up. Yeah, so for example, here you can go to YouTube and check past tense forms. Then you have some tests here practicing past tense. Then you have some games to, not like a game, but it's a task that helps you improve your vocabulary by combining similar words. For example, vėjas, and you have to find some related words. So vėjas, wind, and vėjuota, windy, are very similar, and that way you can improve your vocabulary. Okay, what's next? I have some listening task, and here you can find, for example, different questions. If you click on this, you can hear something here.
Ar atostogavote šiais metais?
And then you have to match it with correct answer. Okay, and here, recording task for you. You have to record a short recording about your holiday or vacation. Then you press submit, and I get all the answers, and you get also evaluation right away. But if I need, I can write you a comment, or I can yeah, really basically write a comment to help you improve your comprehension or whatever. Yeah, so each week I publish something similar to this. Yeah, and then you can also see that there are almost 20 entries so far. I can show you how it looks like in my book widgets. So each week you get this kind of tasks. Yeah, and so on. You can practice at your own pace. And that's pretty much it. Sometimes I try to create tasks that are very similar to tasks in first category state exam. So if you are preparing yourself for exam, it's good for you. So check it out. Check this first entry on my page. I will leave a link in the description box down below. And if you are ready, check it out. I invite you to subscribe. It's 15 euros per month, and you get 4 entries each month, so once a week. That's it. I hope it helps, and see you inside. Iki!